has been just a real good story of teamwork, of commitment, of focus, of dedication, of just caring from everybody in the team. It's been really wonderful to witness how the baton has been transmitted from one team member to the other, and we went through everything just to get this thing done.
Certainly the key heroes from my perspective are Alessandra and Kim Kelly and the rest of the clinical and regulatory team for devising a new strategy for getting us FDA approval for the product.
It's like everyone was operating well together, all of our internal groups were working great, and we worked great with our external partner, and so it was very exciting to see that come to fruition.
It's very difficult to do all of the work to prepare a package for the FDA and to prepare for all the reviews by the FDA, which go all the way from reviews of clinical data to reviews of manufacturing sites, and to get all that done in such a short time.
It was a bit of a challenge on this particular submission because we have elements coming in from both Galderma as well as Bioventus, so the submission has to communicate elements of the quality management system from both organizations. So it was almost like two PMAs in one.
The PMA was 6,000 pages, and when we had it stacked up on the table, it was high. Even stacked up on the floor, it came up to my chest. So it's a lot of paper.
At the end of all this work, we submitted the file 30 days before what was already a very aggressive deadline that we had given ourselves.
Well, it was around, I think, 4 or 5 o'clock, and we knew that if we were going to get this done today, we had to get it to FedEx and printed and shipped by 7 o'clock. And so what happened was I was copying files onto the flash drives in the car as Neil was driving to the FedEx center.
Ultimately, what let us hit our sooner rather than later timeline was the quality of the submission. I believe that.
We're good, I guess. It's as simple as that. We've got a great team. Kim, I've worked for Kim for over 10 years now. We've written many submissions, and I like to think we know what we're doing, and that's reflected in the timeline of that approval.
The speed at which DUROLANE was approved attests to the quality of the dossier that was put together, and attests to the quality of the clinical package and of the data that's supportive of it. The FDA is there to ensure that good therapies get to the patients, and I think that was a key driver for them as well.
I was walking past Kim's office, and she said, "John, you're not going to believe this. Come in here." I came in, closed the door. She said, "We've been approved." So soon, your knees start to, you kind of feel the floor move a little bit. Career milestone.
I am extremely excited that this product is being handed over to such a great sales force that's really developed a visibility and a knowledge base in the treatment of OA, and so I'm really sure they're going to do great. I'm not hopeful, I'm sure.
DUROLANE has been a very strong product in other markets, and we have a lot of experience with it as a company, and we have confidence that it's ready for the U.S. market, and the U.S. market's ready for DUROLANE.
I love my team because my team really cares, and everybody's really focused, and they know that we know that what we do matters.